Today, I'm going to guide you through customizing card colors in Jira, an incredibly useful skill for making your boards clearer, more personalized, and just a bit more joyful to work with. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up custom colors based on the rules that matter most to you, whether that's highlighting priorities, different assignees, or even specific queries. So if you've ever found yourself lost in a sea of generic Jira cards, stick with me. Let's transform your boards into something much more intuitive and visually organized. All right, let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is access the board settings where all of these customizations happen. Start by navigating to the specific board you want to work with. Maybe it's your team's sprint board, or perhaps your personal Kanban board, whichever space you use most often. Once you're there, look for the board menu. You'll typically find this either at the top of your board or under a little triple dot menu labeled More Actions or R. Click into Board Settings or Configure. These terms can vary depending on your Jira version, but they mean the same thing. Now, within these settings, search for the section labeled Card Colors. This is your control center for all things color-related. Next, it's time to decide how you want to color your cards. Jira gives us several flexible methods to choose from, and you can select your preference using the drop-down menu usually named Colors Based On or Select Method. Let's run through your options because picking the right one for your workflow can make a big difference. For instance, if you want each type of work item to have its own color, you can choose Issue Types. This means tasks, bugs, and stories. Each stand out at a glance. Ideal if your team handles a variety of work. Prefer to emphasize urgency? Use the Priorities method so that, say, all high-priority issues light up in red, making them hard to miss during stand-up. Or maybe you want to quickly see who's handling what. That's where coloring by assignee comes in handy, assigning a color to each team member. And if you need total flexibility, you can use queries to define your own rules using Jira Query Language or JQL. Think of this as creating smart highlights based on custom filters, like overdue issues or tasks related to a specific client. Once you've chosen your color method, let's get creative and set the actual colors and rules. You'll see a list based on your selection. Maybe it's all your issue types, each assignee, or your defined queries. Next to each item is a color square. Simply click on the square to launch the color picker. Pick any shade that makes sense for your team or your workflow. For instance, maybe you want all bugs in a bold red, while simple tasks can be calming blue. Don't be afraid to experiment here. Sometimes seeing the colors on the actual board will help you decide what works best. A small but important detail: if you're using the query method, the order of your queries actually matters. Jira will apply the topmost matching rule first. So if multiple queries could apply to the same card, only the first one on the list will determine the color. It's a bit like stacking sticky notes. You want the most important rule at the top. Feel free to test and reorder until the visuals feel right. Oh, and if you ever want to reset a color back to default, just delete the custom color, and Jira will handle the rest. Very forgiving, very handy. And that's it. You've just learned how to fully customize card colors in Jira. Take a moment to refresh your board and admire your new, organized look. Custom colors can make managing work smoother and help your team process information much faster. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And if you have any questions about Jira or favorite color coding tricks, drop a comment below. I love hearing what works for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical Jira admin tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!